Prvo kot prvo, obvestilo, prodajam svoj avto. Če kerite link dol spodaj do mojega BMW-čka, lepo je ohranjen, nič ni narobe z njim, jaz si samo želim nekaj novega, tako da cena je napisana na linku, vsi njegovi podatki so gor, tako da go check it out. Drugač pa kaj delam danes? Danes moram dokončati moj Inktober, december je, ampak jaz nisem dokončala že oktobra pač mojega Inktoberja. No, še 10 dni za narediti, tako da sem se vse to naredila v enem dnevu, v enem vlogu. Vam bom pokazala še moje ostale pač risbe od letošnjega Inktoberja. Boste lahko videli, kaj sem že naredila. Dajmo zdaj kar setup up moj art station, da lahko jaz začnem risati, ker moje it's gonna take a while. Letošnji Inktober ima res najbolj zoprne prompte, tako da, ja, let's go.
I wonder what you're doing now, and if you're listening, I just wish there was some way things could have been different. But happy Christmas from me to you. Sometimes it's too much to handle. It's like I'm losing control. I'm struggling in the crossroads of being too warm or too cold. Hey there, buddy, it's just me again. You walked out of my life that time, and I guess I'm still wondering, do you still think of me sometimes? Or have you truly moved on? Anyway, happy Christmas from me to you. Oh, happy Christmas from me to you.
Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be tonight. It's all I need, somebody that'll only care for me, somebody I can give time and ring, someone in this puzzle who can be my missing piece. You know I don't need anything else this Christmas Eve. Just want someone to be with under the shining tree. Hear the sleigh bells ring and the caroling under the mistletoe, under the moonlight. We can take it slow, I can be your only guide. Don't need to think twice when I got you by my side. With you everything feels just right. Didn't want to admit that I needed this wish. I know you got a lot on your list, but all I'm asking is Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be tonight, 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 tonight. Somebody out there must be facing cold without tight seasons, not meant to be alone. I really wanna believe you got plans for me. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Who my baby will. Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Please help me find who my baby will be. Yeah. Santa, tell me when you show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby, who my baby, who my baby, who my baby will be tonight.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. First snow of Christmas is falling from above. It's a sight of wonder, a magic time of love, and the joy found in each other. It bears a witness of the first snow of Christmas is falling from above. Oh, the first snow of Christmas is falling from
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. standing up close by the Christmas tree. Glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening.